Hello and welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Valentin Dias. The locals of Aushel have raised their concerns over the potential irreversible environmental damage caused by the project and specifically pointed out the absence of a 6-meter wide road, contrary to the conditions stipulated in the construction license issued by the Panchayat. The locals, environmentalists and the Sarpanch conducted a site inspection on Saturday evening and confirmed that the road width measured only 4.2 meters, which is a violation of regulations.
Complaint state that there is no 6 meters wide road as the existing road. The existing road is width is only 3 to 4 meters. ह्या हेचेर न्हू आमी इन्स्पेक्शन काढलेले आसा ते आमी इन्स्पेक्शन करूया कित्याक हांव तेंचे कडेन उलयताले की तुमचो कोण आसा काय म्हणून सांगपाक कित्याक इट शूड नॉट गो दॅट वी हॅव डन इन्स्पेक्शन इन देयर एब्सन्स नोटीस तांकां दिल्ली आसा
their representative is there. That is sufficient.
So
because he is free to give his say.
So आजचे इन्स्पेक्शन फक्त रस्त्याचे जातले.
Okay, madam, aim is for the cemetery and this.
No, that another time because this.
Again and again we cannot call.
आज नोटीस की नाही रा सरपंच. सरपंच बाब. सरपंच बाब आज नोटीस तुमका खंयचे किने इन्स्पेक्शन करपाचे येला.
नोटीस आमकां कंप्लेंट येयला कितें 4 मीटर ती 3 ते 4 मीटर रस्तो हा म्हणून
3 ते 4 मीटर रस्तो आसा
3 ते 4 मीटर रस्तो आसा काय ना ते आमी ते डायमेन्शन वीथ पोवपाक येयले
फक्त रस्त्याचे
Subject petition in public interest plea to revoke construction license and issue work stop orders in public interest in survey number 5121 and 94-1 of Aushel village, as these multi-dwelling housing projects will cause irreversible environmental damage. Okay, for the following reason, that the two captioned multi-dwelling housing projects will cause irreversible damage to the village environment, as the Aushel village is home to 5 Goa government notified heritage springs, which are rich in minerals and widely used by the people for the purpose of drinking and cooking. That large-scale cutting of trees for the captioned 2 multi-dwelling housing projects will cause the groundwater to drop, as these are within the catchment area of the 5 springs of Aushel, besides causing soil erosion. That the construction of large-sized septic tanks in these captioned projects not only threatens the contamination of the groundwater aquifers, but also the spring water flow, in particular to the project in survey number 5121 of Aushel village, as it's within 28 meters of the spring, and large amount of cement and steel being poured into the ground will cause irreversible environmental damage to the groundwater flow to the spring.
In a comprehensive investigation, the cybercrime police tracked down and arrested a Karnataka native for blackmailing and sexually harassing a woman for the past 2 months. The accused lured the woman to attend a fake online interview via video call, during which they coerced her to undress, posing as representatives of the company, and recorded the video and took screenshots. The accused was arrested when he arrived to meet the victim.
A complaint was filed by a woman against a Karnataka native for blackmailing and sexually harassing her for past 2 months. The accused published a fake job advertisement for a vacancy and contacted the complainant through the Telegram app. They lured her into attending an online interview via video call, during which they coerced her to undress, posing as representatives of the company, and recorded the video and took screenshots. The accused began blackmailing the complainant, demanding sexual favors to delete the compromising material. The accused threatened the complainant, demanding she meet him in Bangalore, Karnataka, or he would release her video and pictures publicly. The Panjim cybercrime police set a trap and traveled to Bangalore with the victim. After extensive efforts and a long chase, the accused was apprehended when he arrived to meet the victim. The accused was identified as Mohan Rajvi, aged 29, residing at Bangalore, Karnataka. Chats of the victim and videos of the victim recorded on the accused phone were recovered. The investigation revealed that the accused used the same modus operandi to target female victims. These recordings were subsequently used to blackmail the victims for sexual gratification. Upendra for Herald TV.
The Goa Government Employees Association on Sunday urged the government to extend the term of the working committee from 2 years to 5 years up to May 2027 and to revise the old pension issue. The association highlighted the agendas in the press conference held at Panjim.
की फाटले खूब जाले की विचारताले आमकां एक्सटेंशनाचे बद्दल, मागीर ओल्ड पेन्शनाच्या बद्दल. आमी तुमकां एक सांगूंक सोदता की पयल्यान पयली आमचे जे पळय यूथ आतां भरपूर आमचे गव्हर्मेंट सर्वंट आसा ते अजून पर्यंत गोवा गव्हर्मेंट असोसिएशनान मेंबर जाल्ले नात. तेन्ना हांव रिक्वेस्ट तुमकां ह्या तुमच्या पत्रकार माध्यमांतसून सांगूंक सोदता की तुमी प्रत्येक तालुक्यान कमिटी आतां जाल्लेली आसा, जातली तेन्ना तुमी आपुणहून सगळ्यांनी ह्या गोवा गव्हर्मेंट असोसिएशनान आपले फॉर्म भरून रजिस्टर जायात. कित्याक कालांतरान ही काळाची गरज आसा. जेन्ना ओल्ड पेन्शनाचो इश्यू येतलो, सगळ्याक येतलो जाल्यार आमी ठामपणे आमी थंयसर रावपाक जाय की बाबा हें काम करूंक जाय म्हणून आमकां बुढापे की लाठी म्हणटा आमची ती. आमकां पेन्शन ना, न्यू पेन्शन आमचे. सो तेका लागून आमच्या जे कॉरस्पॉन्डन्स आसा ते आमी सगळे आमचे CMाक दिल्ले आसा. आनी हांव तांकां थँक्यू व्हेरी मच म्हणटा की आमकां जेन्ना जेन्ना अपॉयंटमेंट जाय पडटा, जेन्ना जेन्ना गोवा गव्हर्मेंटाचें कितेंय काम आसलें जाल्यार आमचे डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत, CM चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ गोवा, हे आमकां आदरान म्हणजे केन्ना एनी टायम एनी वे म्हणटा तशें ते आमकां हेल्पींग हँड आसता. आनी हे तुमी हांगा येयल्या बद्दल हांव तुमचें देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.
तुका मेजर एजेंडा कितें आसलो तुमचो?
मेजर एजेंडा आमचो आसलो की न्यू आतां कमिटी आमची आसा ती 2 वर्सां आसली, ती 3 वर्सां जाली. म्हणजे एनफोर्स 2017 ही 5 वर्सांची आसतली. आनी मेजर एजेंडा आमचो ओल्ड पेन्शनाचो आसा. हो आमकां कशे पद्दतीन आमकां हें जो पळय आमची बुढापेकी लाठी आसा ती आमकां जाय. आनी हांव शुअर की आमचो जो पळय आवाज सगळ्यांचो गोवा गव्हर्मेंट असोसिएशनाच्या तर्फे स्टाफाचो आसा, गव्हर्मेंट स्टाफाचो, तो आमचो चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ गोवा डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत हे करतले.
The locals of Margaon have raised a concerning issue regarding completing the bioremediation, stating that the works are not yet completed yet. Local Savio Coutinho highlighted that the government had assured the work would be before the monsoons, but the ground reality speaks about the pending work at the Sonsoro land.
Sonsoro जे बायोरेमेडिएशन चलता ते अजून चालू आसा आणि जे त्यांचे क्लेम आसा की पावसा पयलीं सगळें सोंपतलें म्हण म्हाका दिसना. कित्याक आतां हार्डली एक 10-12 दिसान पावस सामको फूल फ्लेज आसपाक शकता अशें. आनी आतांय जेन्ना पावस पडटलो, सपोज इवन प्री मॉन्सून येयले आनी ते वेस्ट आहाचो सपोज वॉल जालो जाल्यार तें तुका स्क्रिनींग करपाक डिफिकल्ट जातलें आनी तांकां तें एबंडन काम बंद करचें पडटलेंच. सो पावसा पयलीं तें जावपाक एटलिस्ट कंप्लीट जातलें अशें म्हाका 100% दिसता. सो फायनली परतून आतां टार्पोलीन घालपाक पडलें, कवरींग करपाक पडलें, लिचेड विचेड म्हण सांगताले आनी कवरींग करपाक पडलें. सो तो एडिशनल खर्च तशें. सो हें उरपाचें. आतां दुसरें म्हाका हें कळपाक जाय, जेन्ना आतां हायकोर्टान जेन्ना पेटिशन चलतालें त्या टायमार हायकोर्टाक एक हें दिल्लें, टायम लायन दिल्लो प्लॅटफॉर्म करपाक फॉर विंडरोजा खातीर, रिटेनिंग वॉल बांदपाक. रिटेनिंग वॉल तर अजून कंप्लीट जावना. प्लॅटफॉर्म्स जे आहा ते विंडरोजा खातीर ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट जाल्ले आहा. आनी प्लॅटफॉर्म्स कित्या खातीर आहले, जो डेली वेट वेस्ट आहा तो ट्रिटमेंट करपा खातीर. सो हे खातीर हे विंडरोज हें घातिल्ले, प्लॅटफॉर्म घातिल्ले आनी शेड घातिल्ले. आतां हें जेन्ना हायकोर्टान मान्यताय दिली, इनफॅक्ट टेंडर प्रोसेस सुद्दां शॉर्टकट करून तेमी हें केलें, काम कंप्लीट केलें, जाल्यार आजच्या दिसा पासून वेट वेस्ट भायर कितें वचपा जाय? काकोरा वयता वेट वेस्ट 30 टन सुमार दिसाक. कित्याक तुमीच हायकोर्टांतल्यान परमिशन घेतिल्लें की आमकां विंडरोज मेथडांतल्यान तें हें करपा जाय, ट्रिटमेंट करपा जाय वेट वेस्ट. आनी त्या खातीर नियरली 1 crore मायज तुमी पयशे म्हणले ते प्लॅटफॉर्म आनी शेड बांदपाक फॉर विंडरोज ट्रिटमेंट ऑफ वेट वेस्ट. जाल्यार हो एडिशनल खर्च कित्याक हांगा काकोरा धाडपाक? आनी हें फक्त धाडून जायना, फाल्यां आमकां बिलूय येतलें ट्रिटमेंट करपा खातीर तो वेस्ट. सो हे कोणाचे पयशे म्हण तुमी हे भाशेन सामकें विबाड करता तुमी.
With the use of modern technology, the workload of farming has reduced significantly from the farmers' shoulders. The government is now providing tractors at subsidized rates, making farming quicker, easier and more cost-effective. Farmers report that modern tools have transformed agricultural practices, saving both time and money. Around 30,000 to 40,000 farmers use tractors per season.
आता गोंयांत जे ट्रॅक्टर आसात आमचे दर एक तालुक्यांतल्यान आमी लोकांक ते दितात. आमचे मेकॅनिकल कल्टिवेशन ऑफिस आसा, थंयसर शेतकाऱ्यांक समज ट्रॅक्टर जाय जाल्यार शेतकाऱ्यांनी आमच्या ऑफिसांनी नोंद करपाचें 50% सबसिडीचेर आमी तांकां ट्रॅक्टर दितात. समज ट्रॅक्टराचो जर 800 रुपया आसा जाल्यार शेतकाऱ्यान फक्त 400 रुपया भरपाचे, 400 रुपया सरकार भरता, तरी नोंद करपाचें. जायते फावटी अशें जाता की तितले ट्रॅक्टर सरकारा लागीं ना, त्या खातीर आमी सर्वीस प्रोवायडर म्हणून नेमलेले आसात, जे सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप आसा, शेतकाऱ्यांचे जमी आसा, घटक आसा, ते एकठांय जावन तांकां आमी ट्रॅक्टर सबसिडीचेर दिल्ले आसा. तांकांय आमी ऑथॉरिटी दिल्ली आसा सरकाराच्या सबसिडीचेर तुमी शेतकाराचेर कसात म्हणून. तांणी पासून शेतकारांचें कसलें जाल्यार तांकांय शेतकारांक अर्द पयशे दिवपाचे आनी शेतकाराच्या नांवान 50% सबसिडी आमचे सर्वीस प्रोवायडर दितात. अशें करून आमच्या गोंयांत सुमार 100 वयर सर्वीस प्रोवायडर आसात. आमी आमच्या गोंयांत सुमार 8 मेकॅनिकल कल्टिवेशन ऑफिसीस आसात. ताचे मार्फत सगळे शेतकाऱ्यांक ट्रॅक्टर पावपाचे आमी तजवीज करतात. एका सिजनाक आमचे सुमार 30,000-40,000 शेतकार रोयता शेत आनी हें ते म्हणल्यार. सिजनाक चडशे ट्रॅक्टर आसा ते शेत रोवपाक वापरतात आनी माडा भितर आनी भाजी रोवपाक. ट्रॅक्टरांचो रेट तितलो वाडूंक ना.
ओके.
रेट कुहारेट आसा ट्रॅक्टराचो.
सर कसो
हेजो तो कितेंचो पेडी कंबायन हार्वेस्टराचो.
ताका रेट मातशे सेपरेट आसता.
ताका रेट सेपरेट आसता.
कमी जाल्ले म्हणजे कितें आपूण आतां शेतांक आपूण म्हणटा तेजे लोक आपुणूच तेंकोन येता. काम बरें जालें म्हणटा लोक मागीर दुसरो आहा शेजारी आहा न्हू तो सुद्दां आपूण म्हणून घेता मागीर काम बरें नितळ दिसलें काय.
पण सो आतां लोक आतां फुडें सरल्यात शेत रोवपाक परत
रोयता आतां. हय
पयलीं कितले हे करतालो कसून दितालो आनी आतां कितले कसता.
आतां पयलीं एक कितली 100-200 वरां जाताली आतां 300 बीन वरां
जावपा लागले. आनी सरकारा कडल्यान तुमी येता.
सरकारा कडल्यान येता.
कितें आसा सध्या रेट तुमी पर आवर.
सरकाराची रेट 400 रुपया आहा.
400 रुपया.
हय म्हणजे असली आनी ती रोटावेटर 500 रुपया.
दोन डिफरंट आसा.
डिफरंट.
मशिनां पावतात न्ही तुमगेली
सारकी पावता.
ट्रॅक्टर बी सारके पावता.
कंप्लेन ड्रायव्हर बरे आहा आनी काम बरें करता.
तुमी बरें करता
आनी ऑफिसर आमचे बरे आहा.
ओके.
टायम टू टायम लोकांक हे करता.
Perne Taluka has commenced its massive pre-monsoon preparation work as the monsoon season draws near. In order to make sure the city is ready for the monsoon's periods, heavy rainfall and possible flooding, efforts are being undertaken to build new roads.
On Saturday, the much-anticipated hot mixing of the road of the entire Perne Taluka was commemorated in the presence of Perne MLA and other officials. This work was part of the pre-monsoon work which will be completed by the end of this month. Efforts are being made to ensure that the city is well prepared to handle the heavy rains and potential flooding that are characteristic of the monsoon period.
बरें दिसता की आमचे सगळे फूल पेडण्या इंटरनल रोड आहात, मेन रोड आहात ते आज सराच्या हस्ते म्हणटात सराच्या हितून आज सगळे हॉटमिक्स जातात. सो सराक हांव खरंच थँक्यू म्हणटा. कारण फाटल्या वर्सा ह्या रोडांनी फूल सगळे खड्डे पडून भरपूरशे एक्सिडेंट जावं. इवन म्हाज्या वॉर्डान सुद्दां खड्डे पडून भरपूरशे एक्सिडेंट जाल्लेले आसात. सो ताका लागून हांव सराक आयज खूब थँक्यू म्हणटा. आनी कारण सगळ्या जनते कडेन आयज सराक थँक्यू म्हणटा की आयज मेन रोड सगळे हॉटमिक्स जाल्लेले आसात. अशी सराच्या हस्ते भरपूरशी कामां आमच्या जी पेडण्यान उरलेली आसात ती सराच्या हातान जावची इतलेच मागता आनी हांव सराक थँक्यू म्हणटा.
हे हॉटमिक्स गटाराचें काम आमी चालू करतले सोमार
The IMD on Sunday issued a yellow alert across Goa till Tuesday 21st May, along with the rough coastal shore. Thunderstorms accompanied with lightning and gusty winds of 30 to 40 kilometers per hour are very likely to prevail at isolated places across North and South Goa districts of the state.
On Sunday, the Indian Meteorological Department issued a yellow alert stating that the state will experience light to moderate rain and thunder showers at a few places for the next 2 days till 21st May. The report also states that the sea will be rough near shore along the coast till Sunday due to the effect of high-period swell waves, having heights of 0.4 to 1.1 meters.
Watch on Herald TV.
The traditional Goan folk drama Zagor was performed exclusively by the Aboriginal Gowda tribe community at Pali Satari with great enthusiasm and tradition on Saturday. Despite facing a power outage, the dedicated performers' feat did not stop till the entire drama concluded.
On Saturday late at night, the traditional Goan folk drama Zagor was performed with zeal and zest by the Aboriginal Gowda tribe community in the village of Pali Satari. Kids, adults and senior citizens around Pali witnessed the culture through a performance. This is considered a folk play, consisting of a prayer to the Almighty for protection from every evil that falls on the village. The Zagor began with prayers at a sacred spot in the village called Mand, where the folk artists and villagers urged the folk deity and other gods to bestow blessings for a successful presentation of the folk drama. The performers and the people faced a power outage, but still the Zagor continued to play with the help of the mobile flashlight from the audience. For Herald TV.
Guardian Angel Sports Club defeated United Club Verna 2-1 to lift the 10th Lutholi Panchayat Cup 2024, organized by Sports and Cultural Club of Lutholi and played at Montir Ground on Saturday. Alvito Di Cunha, international football player, was the chief guest and gave away the prizes in the presence of Blas Brito, president of the Comunidad, Sarpanch San Francisco Fernandez, Joanna Fernandez, Charles Dias, and other dignitaries and club officials.
As the finals of Lotolim Panchayat began in front of a large crowd, both teams displayed good skills and determination. With the help of a penalty shootout, Ryan Menezes from Guardian Angel scored a goal before half-time and Guardian Angel SC led by 1-0. Changing over, United Club of Verna dominated the game but failed to score in the 45th minute of play. As the match progressed, United Club Verna pulled one goal back through Desmond Parra. At the end of the match, Guardian Angel SC overthrew United Club Verna by 2-1. Charles Dias, coach of Sesa Fa, was felicitated at the finals. The following prizes were awarded: Best Goalkeeper Royal Moniz UC Verna, Best Striker Ryan Menezes Guardian Angel, Best Defender Pele Costa Guardian Angel, Best Midfielder Hilton Fernandez UC Verna, Man of Match Ryan Menezes Guardian Angel. For Herald TV.
That's all we have in today's news bulletin. Thanks for watching Herald TV News. For more news and alerts, please follow us on O Heraldo on Facebook and Twitter. Take care and goodbye.